In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add page properties in Confluence. Start by opening Confluence and navigating to the page where you want to add structured information. Next, click Edit to open the page editor. Place your cursor where you want the page properties section to appear. Type page properties and select the page properties macro from the list. Once the macro is inserted, create a simple two-column table inside it. In the left column, enter the property names such as status, owner, priority, or due date. In the right column, enter the corresponding values for each property. You can add as many rows as needed to capture the important information related to that page. After adding your properties, review the table to ensure the information is accurate and clearly organized. If you plan to use this data in reports later, consider adding a label to the page so it can be easily identified by the page properties report macro. When everything looks good, save or publish the page. Your page properties will now be stored in a structured format that can be displayed and reported across multiple Confluence pages. And that's it! You've successfully added page properties in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.